Want to feel lighter and healthier? You can. Imagine waking up every day with more energy, a clearer mind, and a body that feels strong and capable. It's not just a dream, it's within your reach. Let's jumpstart your weight loss journey. Setting clear, achievable goals is the first step. Write them down, visualize your success, and commit to making small, consistent changes. It's time to ditch the fad diets. These quick fixes might promise fast results, but they rarely lead to lasting change. Instead, focus on nourishing your body with wholesome, nutritious foods, and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Cooking at home with friends or family can be fun and rewarding. Choose fresh, seasonal produce and experiment with new recipes that excite your taste buds. This 30-day challenge is your roadmap to success. Each day, you'll build new habits that support your goals. Mark your calendar, track your progress, and celebrate every milestone. Are you ready to transform your body and mind? Let's do this. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Encourage each other, share your victories, and stay motivated together. Remember, this is about progress, not perfection. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Celebrate your achievements and don't be too hard on yourself. It's about making sustainable changes that become part of your daily routine. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's a morning jog, a dance class, or a peaceful yoga session. Make healthy eating a habit, not a chore. So let's lace up those sneakers, grab a water bottle, and get ready to move. Hydration is key, so keep that water bottle handy throughout your day. And get started on this exciting adventure together. With determination, support, and a positive mindset, you'll achieve more than you ever thought possible. Let's make this journey unforgettable. First things first, let's set achievable goals. It's important to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve, but remember to keep it realistic. Start by writing down your goals, whether it's in a notebook or on a whiteboard. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Don't aim for a drastic transformation overnight. Instead, break down your larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This way, you can track your progress and celebrate small victories along the way. Focus on losing 1 to 2 pounds per week. This might not seem like much, but it's a healthy and sustainable rate of weight loss. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. This is a healthy and sustainable rate of weight loss. Consulting with a dietitian or a fitness coach can provide you with personalized advice and support, making your journey easier and more effective. Start by making small changes to your diet and exercise routine. Incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your meals, and try to be more active throughout the day. Swap sugary drinks for water. Staying hydrated is crucial for your overall health and can help you feel more energized. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. These small changes can add up over time and make a significant impact on your health. Little tweaks make a big difference. Celebrate your progress no matter how small it may seem. Every step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. You can't outrun a bad diet. What you eat matters. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are your new best friends. Cut back on processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive unhealthy fats. These foods are often high in calories and low in nutrients. Make smarter choices to fuel your body right. Section 4. Get moving. It's time to get your body in motion and feel the energy flow. Exercise is key to burning calories and boosting your metabolism. It helps improve your overall health and well-being. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Find activities you enjoy. Go for brisk walks, try a dance class, or even join a hiking group, or go for a bike ride. Cycling is a fantastic way to explore your surroundings while getting a great workout. Mix it up to keep things interesting and challenge your body in new ways. Incorporate different types of exercises like yoga, strength training, and sports activities. This variety not only keeps you motivated, but also ensures a well-rounded fitness routine. Remember, the goal is to stay active and have fun while doing it. So get moving and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. Section 5. Don't forget the essentials. Hydration and sleep are crucial for weight loss and overall health. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your body's functions. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep deprivation can disrupt your hormones and lead to increased cravings. Prioritize rest for optimal results. Section 6. You've got this. Congratulations on taking this incredible step towards a healthier you. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Stay consistent, stay positive, and celebrate your progress along the way. Don't be afraid to ask for support when you need it. Surround yourself with positive influences. You've got this. Now go out there and make it happen.